I'm Paul Huizinga. This is the 2015 PRI show, and I've got Dave Sutton from Engine Pro here with me. And Dave, I see that there's a new line of parts here called Nitro Black. What's that all about?
Well, Engine Pro has a lot of great parts, stock and performance, some vintage parts, some marine parts. The Nitro Black line is our higher-end performance products.
So now I'm seeing things like push rods, I'm seeing some valve springs, some valves. What all is involved in the line?
Well, like you said, valve train, bearings, piston rings. We get into our 4130 Nitro Black push rods with a 210 radius ball at the rocker arm end. They're, like I said, a 4130 heat-treated push rod, 60 to 62 Rockwell C hard. The available in a 5/16 and a 3/8. They're a heavy wall, 116 wall on a 5/16. Available in 120 and 140 on a 3/8 push rod. So we've got push rod for your higher RPM engines.
Now I see these valves, and I'm used to seeing a chrome-plated valve, but this has got kind of a different look to it. What's going on with that?
Exactly, no chrome plating. This is a 21 4-end valve, one-piece forging with a wafer, the hard wafer tip. They're an undercut valve, but no chroming, like you said. This is a proprietary deep nitriding. The nitrided valves are smoother. They offer a ductility that is not available in a chrome valve. If you were to have a catastrophe and piston hit a valve, you're not going to have as much of a chance of the head coming off the valve. This valve is more apt to bend. The coating is for use with all kinds of fuels. It's non-corrosive. So this is our very high-end, high RPM valve.
Now I also see that you've got beehive-style springs here as well. What makes them different?
Sure do. The conical spring, well, the conical shape, of course, is to, you can use a smaller retainer, lighter mass. These springs are shot peened several times through the process to relieve stress. They're also a heat set so that they don't lose their tension. It's an ovate wire, and these are available for modular Fords, the LS, small blocks, big block engines.
I'm noticing kind of a theme here with coatings, and I see that we've got engine bearings as part of this line too, and they look like they've got a coating.
They sure do. The DuraShield coating is on our E15 bearing. It's a 15,000 PSI strength bearing with the black coating. The DuraShield coating absorbs oil, so it improves the lubricity of the bearing. The main bearings are 270 degree grooving. The bearings have a hardened back. They're chamfered for the larger crankshaft radiuses. So like you said, the black bearings.
Now let's not forget about the piston rings either.
The Nitro Black piston ring, stainless steel top ring, stainless steel rails. They are nitrided for strength. Then they are given a ceramic PVD coating on the edges, which helps with friction on the cylinder walls. The second ring is a Napier-style nodular iron ring, so a good scraper. And these are available from 4-inch to about 4.5-inch bore sizes.
Well, it sounds like there's a lot of great ways here for people to step up a little bit, get a really high-quality part. Where can people go to find out more about these Nitro Black parts?
You can find out more by going to goenginepro.com.
Well, be sure to check that out for more information, and keep it right here on Power Automedia for complete 2015 PRI coverage.